2019 Dodge Charger, HEMI, fully loaded. What we got done on it for you guys is still got the stocks, converters, has less than 15,000 miles on it, I think. Got a true X pipe from the factory. Then we did a mid-muffler resonator delete, there and there. Then we also just did a rear muffler resonator delete right there and right there. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna put some blue flame tips on it next. There it is right there. So it's completely straight pipe now, other than the catalytic converters, which are illegal in our state to take off. So we cannot take them off. It's a federal law. There it is. Dodge Charger RT. That's what it looks like. 2019 Dodge Charger RT. They never disappoint. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Inside the cockpit of the Charger.
That sucker's loud.